This chair is in my way. Oh, get out of my way, chair!
Wait, what's this?
Oh my gosh!
Wanted! 2 cable treats?
Oh
Holy cow! Secret Agent M, I just saw her yesterday!
Let's go see a photo of her right now.
This will be our first.
There she is.
This will be our first mission.
We must find the dog spy that is intruded our headquarters.
We must find her, and then we will get our reward of 2 kibble treats.
Yum.
Let's go. I'll go scout ahead.
Got it.
Will you take up base?
Got it. Well, better get my weapon ready. A bowling pin. It comes in very handy. Da 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 da. I'm waiting. Oh yeah, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Oh yeah, I'm waiting. Oh yeah, I'm waiting. Oh yeah, I'm waiting. Yeah, yeah. What's this? I think I hear a dog. There she is! We must get her.
We have found the secret agent dog. Oreo, you are under arrest.
She was spying on the wanted.
Being a dog.
I think she was spying on the wanted sign. I can't wait to get my kibble treats. Now we'll see who to get to.
Oreo.
Hey, there is no one.
Oreo, go.
It is the same dog though, right?
Oh no! Oh no, she escaped! I guess we'll have to catch this dog spy next time on Secret Agent Dogs!
Operation.
Oh, and we only got 1 kibble treat instead of 2 kibble treats. Oh well.
Yeah.
See you next
I
time.
think her owner brought her back.
This is Agent Alpaca signing off.
Agent Llama.